as I walk the road from Killishandra. Weary I sit down, for it's 12 long miles around the lake to get to Cavan Town. The water and the road I go once seemed beyond compare. Now I curse the time it takes to reach my Cavan girl so fair. The autumn shades are on the leaves, the trees will soon be bare. Each red coat leaf around me seems the color of her hair. My gaze retreats, defies my feet, and once again I sigh, for the broken pool of sky reminds me the color of her eyes. At the Cavan Cross each Sunday morning, there she can be found, and she seems to have the eye of every boy in Cavan Town. If my luck will hold, I'd share the golden summer of her smile, and to break the hearts of Cavan men, she'll walk with me a while. So next Sunday evening finds me homeward, Killishandra bound, to work a week till I return to court in Cavan Town. When asked if she would be my bride, at least she'd not said no. So next Sunday morning rouse myself, and back to her I'll go.